And you can just see the world at this rate. It's like he is just going to go one way, that's up.
Itulah.
गाड़ी का कैसी कर दियो लाल करेगी चक्का नहीं है गाड़ी
पिछले वक्त रिवर्स ले नगारो रागुला रे रागुला एतिला मोठा आला एतिला हेड हायले एतिया एतिला हेड आला जान खेलना भाई जा जा खेल जा
Fresh from 102nd Ladies National.
couple
Not to show too hard.
आता हो मला खाते खबर
सुता दे रे सुता दे उठा सुता दे
फेक
The gift. Nana Kibosh was happy receiving that at backward point region on both occasions.
ત્યારે માઉ માઉ માઉ
The world's clear. He is considered way out. And he's doing just that. On his way out. He got the domestic and did that. Show you what they don't miss here. She doesn't need to play the Costa. And here's what we better. She will trust that when she's hitting the ball, banging the ball. And you've seen that right through the series as well what's been happening. Front foot, spin, they are if you really want to know how much happens better about this idea for what the machine has to be
मार करो मार मार मारो मारो
There wasn't much pace in that one that was swinging in from second point. Just like the kindness to the other.
फुका मारने को हमको मारने की
बचे એવું હે બે
She gave it earlier. The second one international, the back for nearly an hour. And today as well, prior to the team arrival, she was here in the center of the practice pitches. Nothing. And chatting with the coach, Mahmoud Asghar. So look again that she didn't take that 100 lightly, she didn't take that hard work lightly.